Vybz Kartel and Chronicler link up. Kartel is not wasting any time reconnecting with the artists who supported him during his time in prison. The Gaza boss has been making moves, linking up with big names like Skillibeng, Popcorn, and now finally Chronicler, One Lord, Law Boss, Dancehall Therapist, and this song with Kartel and Chronicler. But them I go drop next, just know say as something dark, you know what I mean? Because Chronicler is responsible for everything dark.
People remember when I too chatty. It's Freedom Street. That was sweet.
Fully active, you hear that?
One laugh.
So fans and myself are happy to see this because we know Vybz Kartel is showing love to those who he values in the music business, and you can say those who respect him and show him respect while he was in prison. So let me know who is next on Vybz Kartel list. Squash maybe, and let's not ignore the tension between Chronicler and Squash, but Kartel being the one done that he is staying out of their beef, strictly positive vibes only, because Chronicler appears to this Squash and then Squash reply with a video and saying, I'm outside and in their town. Anyways, speaking of dancehall moves, can we talk about Masicka performing at the Red Bull Culture Clash? Or are we going to ignore the fact that Masicka didn't even acknowledge Vybz Kartel? I'm not going to say any more before the people them come for me, but you know it's worth mentioning. So thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.